Hey mates, I'm Alex.
And I'm Gaston.
Welcome to Power Mates.
This is a place to learn and share about the Fabric and Power Platform. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel with your friends and colleagues. So, today, Power Mates, we are diving into the Microsoft Power Platform 2025 release Wave 2 that Microsoft just announced.
So, this wave covers updates rolling out from October 2025 through March 2026. And it's packed with powerful new features across the entire platform. Let's start with a big picture of this release. This release includes dozens of new features across Power Apps, Power Pages, Power Automate, Copilot Studio, Dataverse, and governance tools.
And talking about focus, all this release is focusing on smart automation, deeper AI integration, better tools for both low code makers and pro
So,
developers.
first of all, Power Apps now support human agent collaboration with the agent feed. Of course, we have been talking around that, but the new plan designer that helps you to build full enterprise solution apps, report, agents, and more. Then Power Pages are getting boost too, so you can now build secure and intelligent portal faster with the new security agent and insight for admins and developers.
Something that I love as well is that Power Automate is going AI native with generative actions, intelligent document processing, and a new automation center for governance and observability.
Yeah, and on top of that, in Copilot Studio, you can now build teams of autonomous agent. Agent orchestration is the right name, so that work together with deeper integration into Azure AI Foundry and Microsoft Graph.
Now, a section that I loved, Dataverse and governance. So, Dataverse is evolving so fast with smarter agentic capabilities, AI powered business logics, and tools like the Dataverse MCP server. I've been playing around with that. That's amazing.
What about governance?
Okay, right on. The Power Platform Admin Center is becoming the unified hub for managing all your agents, apps, and workflows securely and scale.
Yeah, that's right. And some key dates to remember. So in the past, July 16 was the release plan. One was the release plan published. August 4, you're going to have some of the early access, and on October 1st, some of the features going to be general availability, and some of the region, and there's going to be so on and so on. So one last thing to remember is some of the features are enabled automatically, and while others need to be turned on by admin and maker. So if you read around some feature that should be available on your tenant and does not happen, ping your admin or check if you have the preview feature activated, and also you can get that.
Yeah, we are going to be leaving the URL for this release in the description of this video, but for the full release plan or download the PDF, just to go into the description, you can bring the link from there and you can export to PDF and so on.
Yeah, so let us know in the comment what feature are you most excited about. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and join us on this journey.
Together, let's unlock the full potential of Power Platform and Microsoft Fabric.
Yeah.